I've not started with you, Biola. I will bring your baby father the way you and Iyabo Ojo tabled my baby father. Sorry, my husband, the father of my children. The way you table his case. You know, the last time they spoke to you, you said you don't like bully. You don't want trouble. You've informed your husband before you said, I will disgrace that idiot. That nuisance that donated a failed spam before the whole world. I'm going to give you back to back.
Ní tèmi Lizzy Anjorin sọ wípé òun ò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Biola Bayo o. Ó ní bóun ṣe treat kéèsì Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lòun ṣe máa treat kéèsì Biola Bayo. Ó ní Biola Bayo ti rúgí oyin o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà fún Biola Bayo.
Delete Iyabo Ojo's video now. Or reinstall Ijesha video. Delete the video. It is a command. It is my content. My name is my brand. I have worked for my name. Emani Lizzy ngbe photo yin kiri. Lizzy ngbogun jáde fún yín. Nba ma wo yin ran ni. Gbogbo tí mo fayé mi ṣe ke ba je. Nba ma wo yin ran ni. Nba ma wo yin ran ni. Biola, I will not just come for you physically. I will come for you spiritually. Biola wọ́n ní gbọ́ ẹ mọ́. Wọ́n ní gbọ́ ẹ mọ́. Wọ́n ní gbọ́ ẹ mọ́. Ẹ gbọ́, wọ́n ní kẹ́ máa bá wa post gbogbo evil tí Iyabo Ojo náà ti ṣe. Accident of this lover Iyabo Ojo. Ẹ bá wa post video DJ Splash àti video. Ẹ bá wa post gbogbo video tó ṣe fún Jesha àti Naira Marley àti Sam Larry. Ẹ bá wa repost, ẹ máa bá wa repost ẹ. When Biola and Iyabo Ojo did that show, ọjọ́ ẹni Biola, ọjọ́ ẹláyé ẹ ti bàjẹ́. You see, there are times when you hurt some people, even when they don't speak up, that does not mean pé o ní jẹgba. That video you did with Iyabo Ojo ti cross boundary ẹ. O de máa jẹgba ẹ jáde láyé ni. O cross boundary ẹ Biola. O cross torí ọ̀rọ̀ kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ ara ẹni ká má mọ̀ sọ. There are some things that pé Iyabo Ojo máa ń kọjá ayé ẹ. You don't put your mouth in family's matter. Ìwọ tó bá ti ń fi ẹnu ẹ sí ọ̀rọ̀ family àwọn èèyàn, you ready for the consequence. You know, Iyabo Ojo is a very dull idiot. Very, very dull idiot. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀sìn yẹn pọ̀. Òun àti Biola jọ plan kí ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà yẹn ni. Ó wá backfire. Bóyá backfire ló wá ń cut video. Àti ìgbà wo la wá ti ṣe video. Ìjẹrin àbí ìjàrún kọ́ la ṣe video àbí ìjẹta. Ìjẹun ẹ má gbàgbé pé àti bí pé Iyabo Ojo lọ gba owó àjọ ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ó lọ gbé kéèsì Ìjẹ̀ṣà wá. Ó fẹ́ fi cover owó àjọ tó gbà. Wàláì Becky Gold sọ pé Iyabo abeg, where did your mother rub powder again? Na video Madam Lizzy. Are the real activists of our time. 17 ẹ fi tọ́ sí o. Àṣẹ àwọn èèyàn ń ṣépè fún Iyabo gan ni. Ha. Èpè yìí pọ̀ jù. Iyabo Ojo ò dáa, kò ṣe dáadáa. He's not good. He's not good. Kì í ṣe, you know, ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣòro dá sí, ọ̀rọ̀ family tó ṣòro dá sí. Family, Iyabo Ojo ti bà so many families jẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n lè forgive ara wọn mọ́.
Anybody, you invite Iyabo Ojo. When Iyabo Ojo finish, you tell her that I'm going to invite Lizzy as well. Don't get upset, and then you face them head on. Whatever they want to do, let them do it. Now they want to bully you to silence.